Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is a pretty big news today coming out of Zach Bowen, and it's something that apparently Microsoft is been shifting focus. What we learned today, and that's according to some folks at Microsoft, Windows 10X is put on hold indefinitely. So last year we talked about this, and there was a lot of hype, and it was supposed to come out at the end of last year. Then it was like, no, and you know what? We're going to refocus this and have it on other devices. So the story was foldable devices and things like that. We'll have Windows 10X is going to be cool. Then it came to, well, no, finally, what we're going to do is Windows 10X and have it on, standard laptops with single screen, and eventually maybe on, dual screen devices. And also what a lot of people didn't like, I think this is one of the reasons why maybe they're kind of waiting or seeing what they're going to do. The lack of support for Win32 apps, I think that is a killer for this operating system. It needs to have that support because everybody's using other software, not just what there's in the store. So what we learn is that apparently Microsoft isn't sure anymore what it's going to do with this. It is on hold. They are actually refocusing the Windows 10X people back into Windows 10. And I think that also we'll have another video talking about another aspect that I think is a major impact here on this. So no Windows 10X this year. And actually, there's even possible hints that it'll never happen. So did they work on something, that never is going to happen? Microsoft did that very often, starting something, and it just doesn't work out. From internal comments from some of the people at Microsoft, they would say that apparently it wasn't just ready. And it was far from being something that they could actually push out and have on devices. So we can forget Windows 10X for this year. And the main shift and focus is now going on Windows 10 again. So that is going to be something interesting to see. And we're going to have a video talking about that after this one. So well, I guess it's something that if we do see it, we won't see it before next year, and maybe we'll never see that come to fruition also. They also say that apparently with the pandemic and everything, it's not time. The time's not right to release something like that. So lots of excuses, but I just think that they're going in a direction that they just don't know what to do. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.